BMW Cosmetic Repair Insurance helps you protect the beauty and finish of your vehicle, covering the costs for repairing minor cosmetic damages, so your BMW always leaves a lasting impression. If your BMW gets minor scratches, chips or dents, we'll repair it for you, either at your local BMW centre or at home by our mobile repairer network. Cover is for 3 years and always with a lifetime ownership guarantee on all repair work carried out. And if the minor damage falls within the parameters of the policy and can't be cosmetically repaired, we may contribute up to £250 towards a body shop repair. We don't just insure brand new vehicles either. We also cover approved used BMWs. You can purchase BMW Cosmetic Repair Insurance anytime up to 60 days after taking delivery of your BMW and choose whether you pay up front or in 12 monthly payments at no extra cost. No one cares more about your BMW than BMW, so why trust it to anyone else? BMW Cosmetic Repair Insurance, keeping your BMW looking the part. BMW Insurance Solutions. To find out more, contact your retailer or visit our website bmw.co.uk/insurance.